Good morning. I am Neshchitas, Vikas First Standard. I am happy to say that India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day, that is Azadi ka Amrit mahotsav. India made its fame by giving its humanity and strength. Means here helping nature to its neighbor country and others also. Independence Day become real celebration when all over the world should feel India is also one of the most grown country like our projects Make in India, Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, GST, PM Mudra Yojana, Ujala Yojana, Atal Pencil Yojana as its policies and hard work of us made India economically stable as our GDP is growing and world is looking towards us. So it is in our hand make India shine. Hind, Jai Karnataka Mate. Thank you. Have a good day. My best advance wishes for 75th Independence Day.
With